As you can see, I'm working out the client's lower back area, and she is fully clothed. Even she had socks on, which was crazy because it's crazy hot outside, and she wore sandals with socks. So sometimes you're going to have those weird, unorthodox clients that for some reason when they come in for a massage, they think that they're going to get, I don't know, a miracle or whatever they're thinking in their head. When they finally meet me or meet a female therapist or someone that they don't like, then they pretty much wear their whole clothes, jewelry, watches, rings, everything. And so don't take it personal. It's just some people are just fucking weird. And that's every day. As you can see on the news, as you can see in our presidency, we just got rid of that idiot orange fucker out of office. And you got people who don't want to wear a mask, people who don't want to get vaccinated. But until they see death coming or the reaper passes them by, then they want to get the shot. Then they want to act right. So some people are just weird until they see, I guess, the light coming, like the end of their life type of light. And then they try to get right with the world or God or you or your family. So in your mind, don't get mad. Just wear your earbuds like you can see me in the video. Yes, I have my earbuds in. I'm listening to my music. I'm like, okay, I'm still going to do this. I'm still going to get paid. I don't care about their attitude. I don't care about their problems, their family, their boss, their kids, whatever, boyfriend, girlfriend. I'm here to make the money. So one day I don't have to do this shit and I can just have a business that people do it for me. That's the ultimate goal. I want to make money while I sleep. Have several streams of income. But hey, again, don't take it personal. In the very beginning of my massage career, yes, I took it super personal. There are going to be some people that are the same color and nationality as you can see in this video. Perfect example. We're both black. We're both African American. Now, she may be pure African. I may just be African American. So she might not like me. And we know some people of the same color don't like each other, which is fucking weird. Just like Indian culture, you have light Indians versus the dark Indians. From India, I'm talking about dot, not feather. And it's just fucking crazy. But hell, you still give them a great service. And did she leave me a tip? No, she did not. And I wouldn't expect tips from people who start off the massage weird. They don't want to shake your hand. They don't want to say your name. Oh, well, get over it. Because yes, it may be a racial thing sometimes. I've had plenty of women not shake my hand. And I worked in Northern Virginia pretty much all my massage career. And it's been 17 years. So yes, when they book their clients, or I'm sorry, when they book with me, they just think Benjamin's going to be a white guy's name, which it kind of is technically, but Benjamin's a strong name. It could be anybody. Benjamin, Benji, Benjamin, Benjamin, all that good stuff. They don't really know the nationality. But some people assume it's going to be white. And when they meet me for the first time, yeah, they don't even want to shake my hand. They definitely don't even want to go into the room with me. It's crazy. So, lastly, so I can stop talking so much and you guys can enjoy the fully clothed massage, because some massage therapists, this is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to improvise, overcome, and adapt. Every situation. There's going to be some people who want a 2-hour foot massage. Oh, yeah, I've done that several times. Some people want a ear or head or scalp massage for a whole hour. Yes, you have to do what you have to do. There's going to be some people who go into the bathroom with their feet. They'll jump off the table, go use the bathroom, and that floor is full of piss and craziness because I know they don't clean those bathrooms as well. And they want you to come back and work on their feet. Hell no. Kick them off the fucking table. Get the fuck out of there. Don't even worry about the money. So just be careful. But that's why front desk staff has to always make sure that the clients know who they're getting. Do you mind a male therapist? Do you mind a female therapist? Because people have religious reasons. Some people just don't want a male. Some people just don't want a female. Sometimes you have jealous relationships, couples massages. Some men don't want you working on their wives at all. And if you're a gorgeous female, that woman, no. You probably not gonna work on her man because yeah, she gonna keep her man. And people are jealous. People are crazy. Be careful out here, all right?